Hello, good morning, student. It's me Atul Verma, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Now, today we are going to discuss about unstructured data versus semi-structured data. Let's start. You will get inside business intelligence, data mining, unstructured data versus semi-structured data. Business intelligence. The business intelligence BI comprises the strategies and technology used by enterprises for the data analysis of business information. BI technology provides historical, current, and predictive view of business operations. Commonly functions of business intelligence technologies include reporting, online analytical process, analytics, data mining, process mining, complex event processing, business performance management, benchmarking, text mining, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. BI technologies can handle large amount of structured and sometimes unexpected data to help identify, develop, and other creative new strategic business opportunity. They aim to allow for the easy interpretation of these big data, identifying new opportunity and implementing a effective strategy based on insight can provide businesses with the competitive market advantage and long-term stability. Business intelligence can be used by enterprises to support a wide range of business decisions, ranging from operational to strategic. Basic operation decision including produce, positioning or pricing. Strategic business decisions involve priorities, goal, and direction at the broadest level. In all cases, BI is most effective when it combines data derived from the market in which a company operates, external data with data from company sources internal to the business such as financial and operation data. Internal data, when combined, external and internal data can provide a complete picture which in fact create an intelligence that cannot be derived from any singular set of data. Among myriad use, business intelligence tools empower organizations to gain insight into new market, to assess demand and suitable of product and service for different market segment, and to get the impact of marketing effort. BI application use data gathered from a data warehouse or from a data mart, and the concept of BI and DW combines as BIDW or as a BIDW. A data warehouse contains a copy of analytical data that facilitate decision support. The earliest known use of the term business intelligence in Richard Miller, Devin, Cyclopedia of Commercial and Business Anecdote. Devin used the term to describe how to banker gains profit by receiving and acting upon information about this environment prior to his competitors. The ability to collect and react accordingly based on the information retrieved Devin says is central to business intelligence. When Hans Peter Law, a researcher at IBM, used the term business intelligence in an article published 1958. He employed the Western Dictionary defined the intelligence, the ability to apprehend the interrelationship of presented fact in such a way as to guide action toward a desired goal. Business intelligence, as it is understood today, is said to have evolved from the decision support system that began in 1960s and developed throughout the mid 1980s. DSS oriented in the computer-aided model created to assist with decision making and planning. In 1989, Howard Dusner proposed business intelligence is an umbrella term to describe concept and method to improve business decision making by using fact-based support system. It was not until the late 1990s that these uses was widespread. Definition: according to Solomon Angus and Paul Gray, business intelligence can be defined as a system that combines data gathering, data storage, knowledge management with analysis to evaluate complex corporate and competitive information for presentation to planner and decision maker with the objective of improving the timelines and quality of the inputs to the decision process. According to Forrester Research, business intelligence is a set of methodologies, process, architecture, and technologies that transform raw data into meaningful and useful information used to enable more effective strategic, tactical, and operational insight and decision making. Under this definition, business intelligence encompasses information management, data integration, data quality, data warehousing, master data management, text and context analytics, etc. AI. Therefore, Foster referred to data preparation and data uses to separate but closely linked segments of the business intelligence architectural stack. Some elements of business intelligence are multi-dimensional aggregation and allocation, denormalization, tagging and standardization, real-time reporting with analytical alert, a method of interfacing with unstructured data source, group consolidation, budgeting and rolling forecast, statistical inference and probabilistic simulation, key performance indicator optimization, version control and process management, open item management. Forrester distinguishes these from the business intelligence market, which is just the top layer of the BI architectural stack, such as reporting, analytics, and dashboard. Compared with competitive intelligence, of the term business intelligence in some time are synonyms for competitive intelligence because they both support decision making. BI use in technologies, process, and application to analyze mostly internal structured data and business process, while competitive intelligence gather, analyze, and disseminate information with a topical focus on company competitors. If understood broadly, business intelligence can include the subset of competitive intelligence compared with business analytics. Business and intelligence and business analytics are sometimes used interchangeable. but there are alternate definitions. Prof- Business intelligence should be divided into querying, reporting, online analytical process (OLAP), and alert tool and business analytics. In this definition, business analytics is the subset of BI focusing on statistics, prediction, and optimization rather than the reporting functionality. Data. Business operation can generate a very large amount of information in the form of emails, memos, notes from call center, news, user group, chat, report, web pages, presentations, image files, video files, and marketing material. According to Merrill Lynch, more than 85% of all business information exists in this form. A company might only use such a document a single time because of the way it is produced and stored. This information is either unstructured or semi structured. The management of semi structured data is an unsolved problem in the information technology industry. According to projection from Gartner 2003, white collar workers spend 30 to 40% of their time searching, finding, or accessing unstructured data. BI uses both structured and unstructured data. The former is easy to search, and the latter containing a large quantity of the information needed for analysis and decision making. Because of the difficulty of properly searching, finding and accessing unstructured or semi-structured data, organization may not draw upon these vast reservoir of information, which could influence a particular decision, task, or project. These can ultimately lead to poorly informed decision making. Therefore, when designing to business intelligence DW solution, the specific problem associated with the semi-structured and unstructured data must be accommodated for as well as those for the structured data. Unstructured data versus semi-structured data. Unstructured and semi-structured data have different meaning depending on their context. In the context of relational database system, unstructured data cannot be stored in predictable order, column and row. One time of unstructured data is typically stored in a BLOB, binary large object, a catch-all data type available in most relational data management systems. Unstructured data may also refer to irregularly or randomly repeated column pattern that vary from raw to raw or file of natural language that do not have detailed metadata. Many of these data types, however, like emails, word process, text file, PDFs, PPTs, image file, and video file, conform to a standard that offers the possibility of metadata. Metadata can include information such as a author and time of creation, and these can be stored in a relational database. Therefore, it may be more accurate to talk about these as semi-structured documents or data, but no specific consensus seems to have been reached. Unstructured data can also simple but the knowledge that business users have about future business trend. Business forecasting naturally align with the BI system because business users think of their business in aggregate terms, capturing the business knowledge that may only exist in the mind of business user provide some of the most important data point for a complete BI solution. Limitation of semi-structured and unstructured data. There are several challenges to developing BI with semi-structured data. According to Inmon and Neshavich, some of these are physical accessing unstructured textual data. Unstructured data is stored in a huge variety of formats. Terminology among researcher and analysts, there is a need to develop a standardized terminology. Volume of data stated early up to 85% of all data exists as semi-structured data. Couple that with the need for word-to-word and semantic analysis. Searchability of unstructured textual data. A simple search on some data, for example, Apple result in link where there is a reference to that precise search term. A search is made on the term felony. In a simple search, the term felony is used, and everywhere there is a reference to felony, a hit to understand document is made. But a simple search is crude. It does not find the reference to crime, arson, murder, embezzlement, vehicular homicide, and such even though these crimes are type of felonies. Metadata. To solve problem with searchability and assessment of data, it is necessary to know something about the content. This can be done by adding context through the use of metadata. Many systems already capture some metadata, for example, file name, author, size, etc. But more useful would be metadata about the actual content. For example, summarize topics, people, or company mentioned. Two technologies designed for generating metadata about content are automatic categorization and information abstractions. Application. Business intelligence can be applied to the following business purpose. Performance metrics and benchmarking inform business leader of progress toward business goal. Business process management. Analytics quantifying process for a business to arrive at optimal decision and to perform business knowledge discovery. Analytics may variously involve data mining, process mining, statistical analysis, predictive analytics, predictive modeling, business processing modeling, data lineage, complex event processing, and prescriptive analytics. Business reporting can use BI data to inform strategy because reporting may involve data visualization, exacting information system, and or OLAP. BI can facilitate collaboration both inside and outside the business by enabling data sharing and electronic data interchange. Knowledge management is concerned with the creation, distribution, use, and management of business intelligence and of business knowledge. In general, knowledge management leads to learn management and regulatory compliance. Data mining. Data mining is a process of discovering pattern in large data set involving method at the intersection of machine learning, statistics, and database system. Data mining is an interdisciplinary subfield of computer science and statistics with an overall goal of extract information with intelligent method from a data set and transform the information into comprehensible structure for further use. Data mining is the analysis step of the knowledge discovery in database. process or KDD. Aside from raw analysis step, it also involves database and data management aspect, data pre-processing model and inference consideration, interstringes, metrics, complexity consideration, post-processing of discovered structure, visualization and online updating. The term data mining is a misnomer because the goal of is the extraction of patterns and knowledge from large amount of data, not to extraction. You can say mining of data itself. It also a buzzword and is frequently applied to any form of large scale data or information processing, collection, extraction, warehousing, analysis and statistics, as well as any application of computer decision support system including artificial intelligence. For example, machine learning. The business intelligence, the book data mining, practical machine learning tool and technique with Java, which cover most machine learning material, was originally to be named just practical machine learning, and the term data mining was only added for the marketing reason. Often the more general term large scale data analytics or when referring acute method artificial intelligence and machine learning are more appropriate. The actual data mining task is the semi-automatic or automatic analysis of large quantity of data to extract previously unknown, interesting patterns such as group of data records, unusual record, and dependency associating rule mining, sequence pattern mining. These usually involve using database techniques such as spatial indices. This pattern can then be seen as a kind of summary of the input data and may be used in further analysis or for example in machine learning and predictive analytics. For example, the data mining step might identify multiple groups in the data which can then be used to obtain more accurate prediction result by a decision support system. Neither the data collection, data preparation, nor result interpretation and reporting is part of the data mining step, but do along to the overall creative process and additional step. The difference between data analysis and data mining is that the data analysis is used to test model and hypothesis on the data set. For example, analyzing the effectiveness of marketing campaigning regardless of the amount of data. In contrast, data mining uses machine learning and statistical model to uncover clandestine or hidden pattern in a large volume of data. The related term data targeting, fishing, and data snooping refer to the use of data mining method to simple part of a large population data set and that are too small for reliable statistical inference to be made up about the validity of any pattern discovered. This method can however be used in creating new hypotheses to test against the larger data population. The manual extraction of pattern from data has occurred from centuries. Early method of identifying pattern in data including the regression analysis, the proliferation, ubiquity and increased power computer technology have dramatically increased data collection, storage and manipulation ability. As data sets have grown in size and complexity, direct, hands-on data analysis has increasingly been augmented with indirect, automated data process added by other discovered in computer science, especially in the field of machine learning. such as neural network, cluster analytics, genetic algorithm, decision tree, and decision rule. 1990s. The support vector machine. 1990s. Data mining is the process of applying this method with the intention of uncovering hidden pattern in large data set. It bridged the gap from applied statistics and artificial intelligence, which usually provide the mathematical background to database management by exploiting the way data is stored and indexed in database to execute the actual learning and discovering algorithm more efficiently, allowing such method to be applied to ever larger data set. Process. The knowledge discovery in database process in commonly defined with the stage selection, pre-processing, transforming, data mining, interpretation. It exists, however, in many variations on this theme, such as the cross-industry standard process for data mining, which defines six phases: business understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, deployment, or a simplified process such as pre-processing, data mining, or result validation. Methodology is the leading methodology used the data miner. The only other data mining standard name in this poll was SEMMA. However, 3 to 4 times as many people reported using CRISP-DM. Several terms of research have published review of data mining process model. Pre-processing. Before data mining algorithm can be used, a target data set must be assembled, as data mining can only uncover pattern actually present in the data. The target data set must be large enough to contain this pattern while remaining concise enough to be mined within an acceptable time limits. A common source for data is the data mart or data warehouse. Pre-processing is essential to analyze the multivariate data set before data mining. The target set is then cleaned. Data cleaning remove an observation containing noise and those with missing data. Data mining. Data mining involves six common class of tasks: anomaly detection, outlier chain deviation detection, the identification of usually data record that might be interesting or data error that require further investigation. Second, associated rule learning, dependency modeling. Search for relationship between variable. For example, a supermarket might gather data on customer purchasing habit using association rule learning. The supermarket can determine which products are frequently bought together and use this information for marketing purpose. This is sometimes referred to as market basket analysis. Third one is clustering. Is the task of discovering group and structure in the data that are in some way or another similar without using knowing structure in the data. Fourth one is classification. Is the task of generalizing known structure to apply the new data. For example, an email program might attempt to classify an email as legitimate or as spam. Fifth point, regression. Attempt to find a function that modeled the data with the least error, that is for estimated the relationship among data or data sets. Sixth one is summarization, providing a more compact representation of the data set, including visualization and report generation. And seventh one is result validation. An example of data produced by data rigging through a bot operation by a statistician. a close link between the best word winning as spelling bee competitive and the number of people in the United States killed by venomous spider. The similarity in trend is obviously a coincidence. Data mining can unintentionally be misused and can then produce results that appear too significant, but which do not actually predict future behavior and cannot be reproduced on a new sample of data and bear little use. Often this results from investigation too many hypotheses and not performing proper statistical hypothesis test. A simple version of this problem in machine learning is known as overfitting, but the same problem can be arise at different phases of the process and thus a train test split when applicable at all may not be sufficient to prevent these from happening. Free open source data mining software and application. Here is a few names about free source data mining. The following applications are available under free open source license. Public access to application source code is also available. Carrot 2 text and search result clustering framework. Chemicalize.org, a chemical structure miner and web search engine. Okay, a university search object project with advanced cluster analysis and outlier detection method written in the Java language. Gate, a natural language process and language engineering tool. KNIME, the Constance Information Miner, a user-friendly and comprehensive data analytic framework. Massive Online Analysis MOA, a real-time big data streaming mining with concept drift tool in the Java programming language. MEPX, cross-platform tool for regression and classification problem based on a genetic programming variant. Thank you.